The Nelson Mandela. Wow, look at this, folks. Go, folks. I'm at the Constitution Hill. Human rights. Wow, look at this. Look at this, folks. There used to be a private hospital back then. Wow. Look. Constitution Hill. The Constitution is what made people pay a price for some reason, I think. Oh. Chilling. Feels chilling, folks. Precinct C Road. Need to get a ticket, I'm told. Wow. Oh, look at these buildings. Water. Took me. I was asked not to come this way. Whew. Wow. Hello. Hello, hello. Wow, look at this, folks. Some murals. Constitution Square. Look at this. This is where. Wow. Hello, how are you, sir? You belong here. Yes, that's a good little signature there. Wow. Warders' rooms. This is. Hello, sir. Very good, thank you. Wow. Really? You don't have to teach this. This is part of life, the nature of humanity. Should be, right? Yet, I've lost it. Hello, sir. Where's the visitor center?
Sorry?
VC, the visitor center? I need to get a ticket to get in and...
Oh no, I'm not sure.
You know, okay.
Yeah,
I will check with the...
I think just check.
Certainly.
Visit.
Presume?
Security guard, yeah.
Right.
No, I'm not sure.
Not at all. Thank you. Sorry
great.
to trouble you. Thank you. Oh, this is incredible, folks. This is incredible. Waiting trial building. Wow. Rogues. Unbelievable people. Absolutely unbelievable people.